Okay, so trying to rewire this, and it's a mess. I do not know where this goes. I don't know why it was bound with electrical tape. This part links to the starter. I assume goes and links with this red wire. That would be hooked up to the battery. And would go together with this one. I don't know why, but it looks like they cut that. Again, I don't know if this goes into here somehow or if they just stay taped together. Could put a better connection on that. And we have this ground, I guess, that's coming off the starter. Do not know where this goes. Looks like somebody took a pair of wire cutters and just cut this dead in half. Don't know why, but I'm gonna have to, I guess, either get new wires or strip them and try and reconnect them. And we've got this wire that's tied on here. I don't know if maybe it just needs a connector to adapt right here to this prong, but this wire goes up into this mess, which is all coming out from this thick wire that was cut in half. So, but we have that leading up there, down in there, dead spider. You got the ground, I guess, over here. So again, I guess this coming off the starter probably needs to be grounded. Have to connect that somehow. Yeah, any help would be greatly appreciated. Just let me know if you need different angles. Thanks.